No, get in the house. Okay. I'm videotaping you, thank you very much. I don't know what you're looking at.
It's okay, I have a trimmer out.
Recording. Annabelle's curious. What? Hi. They're gonna beat each other for a little bit. Alina's trying to make drugs. Well, dump some out. Don't need that much. Don't need to get that high. Just watering my yard with drugs. Now the dog's gonna get high. I can't stop laughing. I don't like where this is going, and she's aiming it at me. At least this time if it makes a big boom, Tabby will be outside when she pisses herself. Hmm? Annabelle, come here. Lena's practicing her jacking off. Ah, fail.
Oh, hey. Look at the bottle.
That scared the fuck out of me. It's over here. Tabby's like, Mommy, what was that? I'm gonna go hide under the shed. Tabby, come back, baby.
I'm so fucking glad I did not break your glass door.
Tabby, come back, baby.
It's okay.
Tabby, baby. She's not gonna come out from under the shed. Oh, you've permanently terrified my dog. You better go make it better. I think I did, because I freaked the fuck out at that moment, so I don't know if I moved away or what. We'll have to watch it again later. The guy freaked the fuck out and
that was kind of fun.
got a lot of water bottles as long as we drink the water. Tabby!
I was like, fuck you, bitch.
She's really not gonna come back. Annie, you okay? Yeah, let's do it again. Annie's all in for another go. She's like, Alina, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
No, it's funner with the coconut.
Hi.
It's a lot stronger.
Alright, well, let's go get this dog inside me.